Doctor, nobody in my family has baldness, but I am getting baldness. Doc, what's happening? My father became bald at 55 and I am only 25, I am already bald. These questions are frequently asked by patients. Is baldness heredity? If so, does everybody has to have hereditary history? These questions I am going to answer in this video. I am Dr. Venkataram Mysore, dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon, Venkat Center for Skin, ENT and Plastic Surgery, Vijayanagar, Banashankari, Cunningham Road, Bangalore. It is well known that baldness is hereditary. This is known for centuries. The baldness can be either on father's side or on the mother's side. In fact, mother's side is supposed to be stronger. It does not have to be in the father and mother only. It can be in uncle. It can be uncle on the father's side. It can be in grandparents, great-grandparents. You may not even know the history who is bald. That is not important. There is a hereditary tendency, which means there is a gene which is responsible for this. That gene gets transmitted from one generation to another generation. However, once it is passed on, the manifestation depends upon various other factors. This inheritance is not linked to the sex. It is what is called autosomal dominant, irrespective of the sex. So your mother can also transmit it even if she doesn't become bald. And the manifestation, expression as we call it, that depends upon several environmental factors. So we call it autosomal dominant with variable penetrance and variable expression. That is the inheritance pattern of male pattern hair loss. The inheritance of the gene which is responsible for the receptor which is affected by the 5-alpha reductase enzyme is responsible for this baldness. However, in some people the penetration can be complete. They manifest with baldness early. Expression can be complete. They become completely bald. In somebody else it can be incomplete. So one offspring need not manifest. Somebody else may have only a little bit. Somebody else may have only patchy baldness. All these variations are possible. Now, having known this, is it possible to diagnose it early and take action? Is it possible to prevent it? Yes, the gene has been identified. We know exactly what gene is causing it. But identification of the gene is not in a practical stage to be applicable for everybody. It is still in an experimental stage. Can we do something about it? Now remember, this gene is also linked to several other genes responsible for what is called metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome means obesity, the blood pressure, diabetes, etc. These two go together. That is why you are seeing everything early. People are becoming bald early. People are developing diabetes, blood pressure, heart disease, everything early. They go together. So, one way of preventing it is having a healthy lifestyle. As I told you earlier, the manifestation or the expression depends upon other environmental factors. Stress, smoking, obesity, lack of exercise, type of food we eat, all can contribute to baldness. So having a healthy lifestyle, avoiding stress, avoiding smoking, exercise, comfortable lifestyle, all can help us to prevent this. So this is something important to remember. So if there is a family history of baldness, people come running at 18, Doc, my father has baldness, what can I do? At that stage, no treatment is needed. At that stage, you have to take care of your general health and fitness. There is no need to do anything else at that stage. Now, the explanation as to why somebody becomes late and somebody develops full baldness, I have already given you. It depends upon the external environmental factors. Is gene therapy possible? That is in the realm of the future. Whether if we know the exact penetration, if we replace the gene within the mother's womb itself, maybe it will happen at some time in the future, but that is not available now. So what is possible now is, do not panic if your father or mother has baldness. Lead a healthy lifestyle, avoid precipitation factors, avoid smoking, protein-rich diet, avoid stress, and if there is any issue, contact your dermatologist early. Don't fall prey to quacks. There are number of sites which say you eat this, baldness will be prevented, you drink that, baldness will be prevented. Don't believe all that. So I hope this information has been useful to you. If you like it, please visit our website to know more information. Visit our YouTube channel. If you want to know more about similar topics, please write to us. Thank you very much. Take care.